wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 7 best self-cleaning litter boxes. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7, let the littermaid LM980 Mega do the dirty work for you with its tough drive system and easily cleaned and removable rake. It's large enough that cats won't have a problem using it, and its high sidewalls keep everything contained. It comes with a safety bar that stops it if it gets blocked, and this one's suitable for multi-cat homes, but it does get stuck periodically. At number 6, the PetSafe Simply Clean continuously rotates at a slow pace rather than starting up randomly, which some cats find less intimidating. This is a nice touch that keeps the litter clean and tends to jam less than other styles, but it winds up using more electricity. No tools are required for assembly, and it makes 1 full cycle per hour. However, it is tough for cats over 12 pounds to use. Coming in at number 5 on our list, the Petzone Smart Scoop makes use of durable metal gears in its drivetrain to ensure it performs reliably time after time. It's easy to disassemble when cleaning time rolls around, and it comes with 6 waste bags to get you started. It's very quiet when raking, and its high walls prevent spraying outside, but this one catches only large clumps. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for self-cleaning litter boxes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, the PetSafe Scoop-Free gets rid of that unpleasant odor associated with most litter boxes quickly. Feces and urine land on blue crystals that are moisture and odor absorbent before being raked automatically into a disposable tray for hassle-free emptying. It's available in purple or taupe and tracks how often your cat uses it. It offers 3 rake timing options. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, with the cat Genie you never have to change or flush litter again. It automatically washes, sanitizes and dries itself without requiring cat litter. Instead, it uses a reusable washable granule that's included with every purchase. This is an eco-friendly product that features sleep timer settings and a 2-year warranty. At number 2, the Omega Paw Roll is the most affordable option that, while not completely automatic, still eliminates your need to manually scoop up yucky feces. Simply roll the unit onto its right side and the poop will be collected for you. It's covered to offer privacy, and the lid snaps securely in place. It cuts down on messy litter dust. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Litter Robot 3 is the most futuristic looking model we've seen. It has no rakes or wires that could potentially jam, and it features a weight-activated sensor to detect when your cat enters, as well as an automatic night light. The rotating globe separates waste, and it starts 7 minutes after a cat leaves. Plus, it can be turned off at night so it doesn't disturb you. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for self-cleaning litter boxes, or simply click beneath this video.